Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can temporarily delete your entire Facebook page. To begin, we want to go to the top right here and go to settings and privacy. From there we're going to press on settings and it's going to take us to this page. From there we're going to go to privacy and down here. Okay, so from here we should find something called security, no, your Facebook information, probably. Yes. So once you're at your Facebook information, here it says deactivation and deletion. Temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your account. You want to press on view and continue to account deactivation, or you can delete this account. I'm not going to do this because I want to keep my account for some reasons. I don't even use Facebook, but I need it. But that is how you do it, everyone. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below what you want to see next. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.